mold filament sheets, flat wire, steel wire, etc. The largest characteristics is that the arm shaft can move up and down at will, which greatly increases the scope of dismantling. It can process about 100 mm electrical cable at most. The machine is equipped with 4-speed transmission, and its speed can be adjusted according to different needs. The electrical machine can be made into 3-phase, 200V, 380V, 450V, etc. Method of application: push machine to the working set and step on brake to prevent that the machine moves during operation. During operation, select appropriate opening hole. Then, according to the size of dismantled electric cable, adjust the positions of feed fixture and blade to ensure that electrical cable can just pass fixture. The position of blade can just contact a conductor of electrical cable. In this way, electrical cable can dismantle lower insulating layer. After adjustment, start the machine. When the machine operates normally, start to work. If dismantle rolling wheel, move the cutter to the middle vacant side. Move the cutter to the middle vacant side to ensure that the rolling wheel can press in place. If it's necessary to change speed, stop machine first. After the machine is stopped, open the front cover plate and move gear lever to required tape position. To require